Hello guys, welcome. So the first important thing is we are going to test what all we have on our machine. As I mentioned to you in the previous tutorial, I have nothing installed, but let's just verify it. So we'll go over to command prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and look for CMD and it will CMD and it will open up command prompt. Okay. You can also do window and R, and here you can type in CMD and it will open the command prompt for you. Now over here, the first command that I'm going to write to test do I have Salesforce CLI installed or not is sf-version. And if I have it, it will recognize the command. If it don't, it will say this command is not recognized. Similarly, if I have Node.js installed, I'm going to check for node-v, as well as I'm also going to say npm-v to see if I have Node.js installed or not. I don't have any of those. That's why it is giving that it is not able to recognize this command. I don't have Java on my machine. So if I say java-version, Java is also not there. Git, if I say git version, it doesn't recognize that either. And if I have Visual Studio Code, if I say code-version, if it's there, it will tell me which version of the Visual Studio I'm using. It doesn't recognize it, so we don't have anything on our local machine. So the first thing is what we need to do is we need to download Cursor. So we go to the website, we say cursor.com, and here this is the website name. This is you create an account with them first. I already have an account, so I'll go and log out here, and you can download the Cursor from here by going to the cursor.com website. And if you don't have an account, create an account with them and then sign in over here. And you provide your email address. I'm going to go ahead and provide mine, and then we will get going. Okay, so this one is there. How much I've used it, billing and invoicing. It cost about total, I think, $21. I've taken the basic plan from them. And then let's go ahead and download. So I'm going to go ahead and just go to the Cursor website and open it in incognito mode. We'll go to the cursor.com and we will download the Cursor. So here I'm going to go ahead and say download for Windows, and I will put it under my downloads folder and hit save. So I've downloaded Cursor now. Now I need to install it. Okay, so this has been downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, right click on it, and it will open up the window to installation. Now it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I want this app to make changes. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes here. I accept the agreement, click next. This is where the Cursor will be added under C, program files, Cursor. Next, to click continue, we'll click on next. Just keep on doing that. I wanted to create a desktop icon, so I'm going to select this checkbox, hit next, and then install. Okay, so it's going to take some time to install it. Once it's installed, you're going to see an icon on your local machine. When I say local, means basically on your computer. And if you want to launch Cursor, you can go ahead and launch it by clicking on that checkbox, launch Cursor, and it will open up the Cursor for you. Okay, it's trying to do that. And also, if you see here, this Cursor has been added as a desktop icon, and then this is how Cursor looks like. Okay, so this is how Cursor looks like, and I'm logged into Cursor, and I have a pro plan with the Cursor, so that's why it is recognizing it. If you don't have it, I will highly recommend you to get that plan. It's very actually affordable as well as very useful. So this is how the Cursor look and feel is. And then we are going to go back and download the next important thing, which is our VS Code. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look for Visual Studio Code. And we will download this code here. Which one? So it's for Windows. So I'm going to click on that. And this is my VS Code being downloaded. I'm going to put it in the downloads folder, hit save, and then I will install it. Okay, so this application has been downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it, and it will open up. I accept the agreement, click next. This is where the VS Code will be added. Hit next, next, create a desktop icon, next, and then install. Okay, so now I'm installing VS Code application. I've already installed Cursor on my machine, and that is it. So these are the two important applications we will need. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you the remaining applications that we need in order to get this working. Okay, get this cursor working. We will be able to write code with the help of cursor, deploy the code, all of that we will be able to do. Okay, so this is finished. And if you want to launch it, you can click on that checkbox, hit finish. It will launch your VS Code. And that's about it. And I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.